Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I go first. Well, first of all, I'm a football coach, and I spend a lot of time in what I do. I mean, year-round kind of stuff. And when this pandemic started, I said to myself that I was going to use this time like never before. Spend time with kids, playing a lot of golf, doing a lot of running, and all kinds of things. And I know Earl was part of this deal, and all that stuff, and I was always interested in doing that. My wife loved camping, but I never did want it in my life. So I'm here because I wanted to experience this. I wanted to see what it's like to be out in the outdoors this time of night. Have conversation with you guys around the campfire, doing the roasted,
Making s'mores.
making s'mores and all that stuff, and conversation we haven't had again, but I'm looking forward to hearing what you gotta say. But at this time, man, today's been a wonderful day for me. From start to finish, seeing all the stuff that I saw, climbing the mountains, the waterfalls. To me, it was absolutely amazing, and I want to trade it for the world. Have a great time, man. I'm enjoying you guys, meeting different people. I don't know one person out here that's Earl. You guys, man, got to know you guys. Man. You guys are great guys, and I'm really enjoying myself, man. Look forward to what night is.
Right on, baby. Right on, baby. Right on.
That's it, man. I'm enjoying like just the brotherhood and camaraderie, all us working together. Like you say, I can be honest, I don't still actually know nobody's name. Like, I don't remember everybody's name, but I still feel a closeness and a connection.
Right.
Just like climbing the mountains, the waterfall.
Right on.
Just getting back to nature.
Yes.
This ain't nothing else going on. We ain't worried about the family, we ain't worried about the job. We just relax. We ain't got no phones, social media. This is why I want to get back to just the essence of being outdoors, enjoying each other, camaraderie, brothership, and just enjoying life. Like you say, it feels great out here, something different. I can go back and tell my daughter, my wife. I'm just enjoying it. I've had full expectations and exceeded with, like you say, with your great food, man. Stuff that I wasn't expecting, the waterfall. Yeah, I'm totally happy.
Can I go one more time? You know, hats off to you, brother.
Thank you.
Steven, man, hey, man, you have shown me one of the best times of my life out here doing this kind of stuff that I've never seen before.
Oh, that's
I really
awesome.
appreciate you, man.
That is great to hear. That is great to hear.
Hey, I don't know you, but I love you, brother.
I love you too, man. That's awesome.
All right.
That's awesome.
Thank you, Earl, for bringing us out here, brother. Cause I'm glad I called you because I didn't even know this was going on. He said, man, come on.
It just happened.
Yeah,
It was last minute, yeah.
Sometimes the best things happen instantly.
It's true.
Well, I don't know if I can add on to much more than what all y'all done said. For me, it's a different experience for me because it's something I've never ever done, and I've always wanted to be a type of adventurous type guy. At least my wife always wanted to be. So I'm normally a homebody. I don't pretty much don't do anything. Probably go, like Paulo would say, go to a cookout party, but I knew when I've been knowing this guy, I knew when he invited me to this to come, I knew it would be very adventurous, and which it was, and which it still is now. And knowing him, I know I would be, around a bunch of good, positive, well-spirited guys. And a big shout out to you, Steve, because your guidance, showing us everything and stuff, not only just with the cooking, but showing us everything and teaching us and everything, stuff, giving us the knowledge is really a beautiful thing. So for me, this is something I know I'm gonna cherish, so I can take back, tell my wife, tell my daughter, my kids, tell a bunch of my friends also too, like, yo, fellas, this is something different. This is something we got to try, because it's a blessing, considering how the world is today. So much going on in today's world, and to think that we all can sit up here, have great conversations, laugh, smile, do the things that we do. Like you said, brotherhood. It's wonderful. Glad to be here.
Beautiful words.
Well, I'm gonna be real. At first, I didn't even want to come. I'm not the outdoors type of person. Y'all know that. I'm from the city. I've never been fishing. Anything that's outdoors, I ain't got. You know what I'm saying? I've never done any of them. Nothing. So I just felt like before I leave and go off into the Navy, I need to do something. You know what I'm saying? That's not everything. So I took this opportunity. My uncle actually made me go. He said, "You're going." I said, "Uncle, I really don't want to go." He said, "Well, you're going anyways." So I'm glad that he actually made me go because it's a very good experience, and I'll be back. Like, I'm going to do it again. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate you for teaching me a few things. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, sir. And I had a great day. A great day. I had one of the best days of my life.
I know none of you guys probably know, but the day before Mother's Day, my house burned down. And since then, grateful God, I was able to get the family out of the house. I was actually on a Zoom call with Earl at the time when I smelled smoke. But I was able to get the family out of the house, the safety and everything. But the whole process of rebuilding, and being a father and being the husband and the head of the household, I was constantly thinking, okay, I gotta execute this, I gotta do this, I gotta do this. So when this opportunity came up, I wanted the opportunity to just do and not think. You know what I'm saying? And really embrace the concept of, what it means to go out and camp and to enjoy the wild or the outdoors. I'm really enjoying myself. It's very therapeutic. It actually makes me appreciate my family even more. To get to ground zero where it's just myself. And, times when it was hard to climb up the trail, I thought about, what would my son think if I stopped, right? And so I wanted to keep going. So what would my daughter think if I stopped? What would my wife think if I stopped? So perseverance is everything. Definitely shout out to tour guy Steve and Earl, Black Folks Camp 2 for this great opportunity and great experience. I'll definitely do it again. Right on, man.
Yeah. Shout out to all y'all for coming too. I just appreciate you guys signing up. For me, this is huge. This is wonderful. For about a decade now, I've supported a lot of different causes across the country that were, based on diversity, equity, inclusion in the outdoors. And I felt like I was helping, but I was contributing on a surface level for a while. And then last fall, I met Earl at the Outdoor Comedy Conference where he was emceeing that, and I was just like, wow, this is the chance to skip all the middlemen and just do it. Just go straight out. And when he told me about this opportunity, I was just blown away by it. And I gotta say, it's been one of my absolute favorite camping trips ever. It's just
Right on, baby.
I did not know that you guys didn't know each other. I knew that a few people knew here.
No, nobody knew each other.
Talk about brotherhood, it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild. We went out here for 10 hours. It's amazing the kind of connections you can make in the outdoors and around the campfire, and that's what it's about for me. Personally, for me in the outdoors, I find my best self, and that's what I want to present to people, and that's what I want to bring people to have that opportunity to find their best self. So that's what it's all about.
Right on. I'll have a good time, Dad. Right?
Oh yeah.
So I won't have y'all long, but I gotta tell you something. This is pretty amazing. And the reason why it's amazing is every person around this campfire represents a totally different demographic. We everybody. We reach everybody. Black Folks Camp 2 is an organization. What we do is we don't just get black folks just to camp on our own and get camp on other black folks. We want to camp with everybody. So I appreciate y'all coming out here, man, and really enjoying this. Because what you don't really know is you open some other folks' eyes that are around, walking around, and we don't want to see this many black folks actually together, camping, without things. So I think people have been enlightened and educated. So I'm excited, man. So thank y'all for coming. Last minute.
I cannot believe it. It's left like a night on some top of the mountain.
Yeah.
Can you believe that?
I never would imagine.
Yeah.
See how 2020 started. I never would imagine this.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
You gotta save in the moment, man.
Around the campfire, have a conversation, man, with the great guy.
It's good to get away, man. Just all the bullshit going on back. Just get away, clear your mind. The waterfall is amazing.
I mean, I looked at it, I was like, woo. Then I said, ah! I started yelling.
I wait to get in that water though.
I had to get in, Rick. Rick,
cold,
I had to
man.
get in there, Rick. I felt it. It's like a woo.
I already knew.
And then you got it, and Rick said, oh, Rick said, ah!
That would make you feel like like, yeah, I hit the forest.
I felt like
scream.
I got that thing. I was like, boom. I was like, man, that's your yeah, it was good, man. So well, look, we're gonna encourage more folks. We're gonna invite more folks, and just hope everybody enjoy the outdoors. Black folks camp too.